Hey guys, we are going to finish the second part of A.10A. Yesterday we did the adding, and today we're going to do the subtracting. Of polynomials. Okay. And since we understand we're just going to simplify, combine like terms, I'm going to pretty much do just examples on the notes. I do want you to understand that you need to order, when you're simplifying your polynomials, you need to order them. And this is from yesterday, from the work I checked. And going forward, order them by power. The highest degree, that is your power, to the lowest. Okay? Here we go. Example. When you subtract polynomials, it is best always to rewrite them, and I'm going to show you why. Here's our first example. So if you have 2x to the second, x to the power of 2 plus 3 minus 3 minus 4x to the power of 2. You need to rewrite this because you need to get rid of this subtraction. We're going to get rid of the subtraction and in a sense turn it into an addition problem basically. So you're going to rewrite this 2x to the second power of 2 plus 3. And if you have a subtraction in front of your parentheses, you're always just going to flip the sign on everything. The reason you flip the sign is because there's an invisible 1 here. And you are pretty much distributing -1 times 3 becomes a -3. And -1 times a -4, x to the power of 2, becomes a positive 4, x to the power of 2. So we just flip the sign on everything. Now you combine like terms, and we know we have an x squared. 2 plus 4 is 6x squared. And then we have 3 minus 3. And that equals 0. So your answer is 6x squared. Let's do another one. If you have let's say you have 2x to the third plus 3x to the power of 2, 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 plus 8, we will rewrite that as 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 8. Now we can combine like terms. I see x to the power of 3 here and here. So I know I have 2 minus 1 will give me a 1x to the power of 3. And then I have this one by itself, so I'm just going to bring it down. 3x to the power of 2, and then I have my 8, or negative 8. And I'll just bring that down. Let's do one more. See if we can find one, and here we go. Well, here's one. So if you have 4x to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 3 plus 5, you're going to rewrite that as 4x to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 5. Now we can combine like terms, and we have x to the power of 3 here and here, but they cancel out each other. So that gives us 4x to the power of 2 minus 5. I think that about does it. So that is what you need to do if you have a negative, if you have a subtraction in front of parentheses. You need to distribute the -1 by essentially flipping the sign on everything inside the parentheses. That'll do it for subtracting polynomials. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you for watching.